To continue installing the Big Tom turkey drinkers, you're going to want to install these brackets, and they go one per saddle. And they go right next to it. So you pop them on, and they clamp right on. You slide them right next to the saddle. We'll just work our way down through. So every single drinker will get one of these. So the next step is to install the drinkers, and we're going to use the VAL tool. Really saves your fingers when installing these. You just drop it in the hole, come over, push it right up, turn, and you're installed. Just drop them in, push them up, turn until they lock, take it right back off. Put the next one in. Push them in until they lock, turn. After installing the trigger pins for the Big Toms, you've got to put on the green shields, and they just pop right in. So you just push up, let it click, down the line. So after installing the green shields, the next step is to install the cups. How you do that is you just kind of pinch over the bracket. But the important part is that you want to pop them down and make sure that they grab the clip on the saddle. There's a little clip right in the inside that clips into the saddle, and that allows it not to move and keeps everything sturdy. So you just move right down the line, put them in, and then push over so they engage. After having the cup installed, your next step is to clamp the cup and this bracket to the conduit and water pipe. So you'll grab these screws and little carriage bolts or carriage nuts and fish the long bolt through the bottom, put the nut on, and that bolt either has a flathead or a 1/4 inch socket, so you can start that finger tight. And then on the top, you use the larger carriage nut and just a regular hex bolt. Push that through the top hole, and tighten that. And that uses a 7/16 socket. 1/4 inch on the bottom. Push tight. And on the top, that's a 7/16. You can just hold the back nut with your hand. There it is, nice and tight. You just do that down the line.